our goal is to connect parking industry to this world of connected mobility and create advanced parking solutions for the new digital driver.
Welcome everyone to another Parking Network video. Today I'm joined by Uliana from LetMePark. Uliana, how are you doing?
Hello, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Could you please introduce yourself and LetMePark?
So my name is Uliana. I'm founder and CEO of LetMePark. And LetMePark is an aggregator of parking services which connects parking to the world of mobility, automotive, and technology.
Okay, so could you please expand on that? Who do you work with and what industries are you involved in?
So basically, first of all, I would like to say that that the world is changing and it's changing very rapidly, that consumers have new expectations, preferences, and the challenge of any business is to stay competitive in this rapidly changing world. And of course, one of the biggest challenges that's happening in mobility and automotive industry. You already know, that car sharing, electric vehicles, connected cars, virtual co-pilots, assistants are already part of our lives. So in LetMePark, our goal is to connect parking industry to this world of connected mobility and create advanced parking solutions for the new digital driver. And currently we work with leaders in the automotive and technological sector to match the drivers' demand for new digital services and experiences with existing infrastructure and parking solutions. And our company exactly were built to give some advanced experiences in the parking industry, and also to help parking companies to reach their customers through these new digital channels that I already mentioned. And why? Because we want the parking companies to keep control of their business, and we want to help the parking companies to understand better this digital world.
Okay, great. So it sounds like parking operators that work with you can retain the control while still increasing their customer base.
Yes, they also think that their business is parking, is to give the best service in their business. That not their business to work with Google, Amazon, car sharing companies, automakers. That's why we work with them and we open them this connect them with those companies so that they can give parking experiences of parking to those types of clients. Not only like we let them to keep the control of their business, we want to increase their revenue in their business. So let's say that they want to increase their revenue in some from 1 to 3 p.m. To have more clients. So they will talk to us and we will see, okay, how we can increase your revenue, how we can fill your parking in this batch hours. So we go to our partners. It can be car sharing companies, it can be automotive companies, it can be technological companies, and we'll see, okay, during these times we can bring you this type of users through our digital channel and just through some discounts or some campaigns, or we will bring you some electric car companies that also can park there and also they can charge in your parking. So we will put in contact with those new digital companies, customers that will help you to not only keep control of their business, increase your revenue, changing, adapting your business to these new experiences and new mobility.
Okay, so then does it take long to partner up and get integrated?
It's really very fast because we found a way to integrate the parking companies without any investment of time and money from their side. Definitely we can integrate in a traditional way through API, but also we can integrate with the parking company directly with their app that definitely they developed. We always say that, okay, we understand that we invested in your infrastructure, that's great, but also you invested in your technology, and you have your web, you have your app, and you have already the technological base of your business. So we can take advantage of this investment and connect our users and our partners through this channel. So basically we are like work and we call ourselves as a digital intermediates. We register new users in your app, in your service that is available in many parking operators.
Is this a proven concept? Are there success stories that you can tell us?
Yes, we already, I would say, trusted partner of several parking operators. We integrated them very fast and very easily. Again, repeating without any investment from their side. And they already have our clients coming from Amazon Alexa, from Google Assistant, from Google Automotive System, from different car brands, from connected car companies. They have new users, and they have also new partners as a car renting companies, car sharing companies that can enter their parking, and also made the agreements with those companies through us, as we call ourselves intermediate, digital intermediate in for example in case of customers, and also intermediate between parkings and new mobility companies.
And what about scale or the region of the parking operator? Does that matter? Is it applicable everywhere?
Yes, we are based in Spain, but we are already a European company. Yes, so we have currently Italy, Germany, France, and we're expanding, and we want to expand to more countries. That's why we are looking for partners, parking partners in different countries. And also, by the way, we are expanding to the US, because we were also offered to replicate our business in the US. So as you can see, as we were called to that market, that means that something we do correctly.
Well, Uliana, is there anything else you would like to add to the interview?
I would like to give you some numbers. 20% of all the cars are already connected. And in 3 years, it will be 85% of all the cars connected. What does it mean? That means the cars will be connected to the infrastructure of the city, and the big companies, big tech companies, will be using the data generated by these cars to offer some more advanced and personalized services, and they will be able to talk directly to the drivers, to the cars. So basically in the future, the driver will not take the decision where to park. No, the cars will suggest the best option according to the preferences, according to the traffic situation. For example, in this sense, we are building with one of the biggest tech companies, we are building the predictive and proactive virtual assistant. And talking about the in-car voice services, which is also part of Copilots, already 48% of European drivers have tried voice assistant, and according to Capgemini, for example, 95% of the drivers will be using voice assistants in a couple of years. I hope I convinced you that it makes sense, right, to collaborate with us. And we would also say that we are not competitors of parking companies, parking applications. We are a channel for them to offer their services inside the car, inside the maps, inside the different, that I already said, new digital experiences and new digital channels.
Thank you, Uliana, for joining today. It was an interesting conversation, and I look forward to seeing more of the digital world.
Thank you very much.
And thank you to the audience for watching today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you again next time.